number. Rounding number means you are going to round the number nearest to the 10, or if the number is in hundreds, then you are going to round the number nearest to the hundreds. Okay, so like rounding the number is like finding the nearest landmark. If like it's a simple, if we are walking down the street, which landmark number are closer to? So that's the rounding. So let's dive in. So let's say we have a number 34 and we want to round this number to nearest 10. So step 1, find out our endpoint tens. Okay, so where 34 lives between? So what do you think 34 lives between? It should be in 30 to 40. The place of 34 is, it will be in these two numbers, okay, in between 30 to 40. Okay, so now we get to know that 34 is in this area. So but here is not only one number, right? There are 10 numbers: 31, 32, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 and 40. So what is the next step? Is we can find out the midpoint. What is exactly in the middle of 30 and 40 is 35. Okay, now we got the number 35. So now look at the dot. This is our 35. So look at our dot okay. Now we have, where will be the 34? If here is the 35, then here will be the number 34. So if I will say, now look at our 34 dot 34. Is it midpoint or past it? Okay, so it is behind it. Okay, 35 is right here and 34 is right here. Since 34 is closer to the 30, right? Here is the middle. This is the 35, and here is the 40. Now we need to choose one, 30 or 40. We saw that here is the middle point. Now 34 lies between 30 to 35. So what is the closest to 34 now? It's 30. So we can round down 34 to 30. So is it easy for you to get to know that? Okay, so let's choose the next number now. Okay, now in numbers it lies, okay, 30 to 40, right? So we can see this is in 30, that is our 35. If we will check, 38 goes to after 35, then where it will be? 36, 37, here will be the 38. Now you can easily find out what number it is closest to. This number is closest to 40. So now we can round the number to 70. Okay, so first step is identify the hundreds. Okay, identify hundreds. Okay, like 270 must be in between 200 and 300. Now we got to know this is the area we need to find out the nearest number, 100. Okay, so now the second step is to find the midpoint. Okay, if we will say this must be our 250. Okay, this will be our midpoint. Okay, now we got it, the midpoint as well. Now, is 270 is greater or less than 250? Okay, it has already passed away the half, right? 250, 260 and 270. So this is 270. So if we will see, so it's sprinting towards the 300. So if we will round to 70, then the result will be, rounding result is 300, because 200 it already passed, right? 250 it already passed. So 300 is the nearest number. So okay, that's all for this one. So whenever you use number line to round, just follow the following points. Find the which tens or hundreds in the number line between, identify tens or hundreds. Okay, then find out the midpoint. Okay, and the third is your number closer to left or to the right? Okay, if the number is you're closer to the left or to the right. So rounding is not about memorizing, it is about seeing where the number lives on the line. Practice drawing your own number line today. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more math tips. See you in the next video.